Hey, so I am back for another unboxing video. I realized that it has been a while since we did the last one, so I really wanted to get one up again because also I was on vacation for the last 4 days in Santa Barbara. We went for a 5-year wedding anniversary with the kids and everything, and I was gone for 4 days, which means I was not able to check the book mail for 4 days. So when I came back, I had this gigantic stack. I shared over on Instagram what that whole stack looked like. You can go take a sneak peek over there. But otherwise, I thought it'd be fun to unbox it all with you. Just do a quick little scan through all the things that we got. As per usual, if you are a paid subscriber, then please comment your top 3 favorites below, and I will randomly choose one of you to send one of your top favorites to. Maybe even choose 2 of you because that's always fun. All right, as per usual, I pre-unsealed all the boxes, so you don't have to watch me struggle through that. It's always a struggle, and this way I kept everything in the box so that you'll see me pull it out, and everything is first time I'm seeing it. Same with you, and it'll be fun. Let's see what we got. All right, just gonna go ahead and dive in. This is from Holiday House, and Off the Wall. It's by Juana Martinez Neal and Molly Idol. So Juana Martinez Neal wrote, what's that one about the little girl? Ama. My name is Ama. The one about the little girl who says like that long name. Very cute one. If you're not familiar with it, definitely check it out. But look, this one is about community and art making. I know because I actually already have a copy of this one, so I might either give this one away, or if one of you really like this one, comment below and I can send it your way. All right, I'm gonna just put these to the side over here. There's gonna be a big pile of them. This one came like in this nice wrapping. Let's see what it is. Oh, and I'm just gonna toss all the scraps over there. It is a mess. All right, Farah's Nose, a celebration of South Asian heritage and family. Oh, I love this. So all about loving yourself exactly as you are in your different body parts and helping to all look different. This one looks lovely. I'm going to show you a quick little sneak peek inside. Beautiful illustrations. This one is from Crocodile Books. Here we go. Penguin Kid. Oh, Richard Scarry's Busiest People Ever. We love this series. Toddlers especially into all the vehicles, so love flipping through. Of course, there's so many vehicles. I can't wait to share it with him. This one with him. 50th anniversary edition. Very lovely. If you like Richard Scarry, definitely check that one out. I'm gonna move all this trash to the side. Okay. What do we got here? This one is from, let's see, not sure. Oh, look at this. So I unboxed the box, but inside the box is this very nice box. A little note from the author. Oh, it's interesting. So sometimes authors send me things directly, and it's always fun because they always do like a really nice job packaging. They're very thoughtful, of course, because it's their own book. I'm going to go ahead. Oh, I was going to cut the ribbon, but I'm going to keep it because maybe I can use it with like baby or something. She loves ribbons. Shiny box. Let's see what we got. Oh, very nice. Let's see. Private Reserve Collection Body Wash Infused Buffer. So this is like a nice little like promo package. We got these Star Traveler. Not sure exactly what these are. I think these are like little pens maybe. The thing is, oh, gel ink pens. Always looking for new pens to use. Very nice stationery pad. Let's see. You Are Brave little care pack. Oh, look at this little rainbow keychain thing. That's really adorable. And here is the book. Side by Side We Shine. Painted with all the colors, Rainbow 6 Friends. Each one has a unique personality and way of seeing the world. Oh, very pretty. Look at that. Okay. Perfect for children. Their own way of seeing the world. Kind of celebrates differences. Very beautiful care package. Love that. By Christina Lackey. All right. Gonna go ahead and put that one aside. That was really pretty. Fun. Always fun to get those ones and see like what they put inside. All right, this one is from Simon Kids. So I want to say like once a month. I was gonna say twice a month, but I think it's definitely once a month. They send out an email that has like their full list. They have boxes, so you can either choose like a picture book box, a chapter book box, like an early reader or a middle grade box, and they share with you all the titles in that box. So it's not like a pick and choose which title you want. It's like you choose your age level and they'll send you all the books for that that they're publishing for that age range. So this is the board book and picture book box, I believe. Little red, white, and blue little board book with rockets. These are all from Simon Kids. Elvis and Romeo Make a Sandwich. So about these puppies. Oh, it looks like this one. Oh, look at the pages are like the ingredients in a sandwich, like lettuce and stuff. Super cute. Another Elvis and Romeo, Book of Opposites. So learning opposites with their little ones. Night Prince. This was really pretty. So nice nighttime board book about like, oh, different tracks. That's always fun. And then what do we got here? A picture book from Salam to Yalabai. Love the representation. Let's see what happens when you're invited to a Middle Eastern party. A lot. This little girl will show you how to make the most of every minute, navigate tricky parts on the joyful salam when you arrive to the longest goodbye in the history of goodbyes. Very fun. Can't wait to dig more into that one. Okay, toss that one aside. This is another box from Simon Kids. So let's see which age. Oh, this is the Halloween box, I think. Yes, so they had a special Halloween mailing, a Summerween mailing, I believe. So I've been telling you, sharing with you, you might have seen my recent Halloween, Summerween posts. So many Halloween books are coming in. I feel like that's almost like the biggest holiday push. Very cutting it close to Christmas. Boo, a cute little interactive witch one with like little die cuts in the pages. We got ready to read ones. Let's see what we got. Fright. We have Monster Scouts. We have Night Frights again. So these are different leveled readers. We have Monster and Apprentice. I love this new like trend of all the decorated pages. Those, so when you turn them like that. School Spirits. This looks cute. A new picture book. That's really clever. School Spirits. It's time to go back to school, but what if classes are too tough? What if, yikes, your school's got ghosts? Ooh, so this is like a back-to-school Halloween themed book. I gotta add that to some back-to-school content. And Little Ghost Summerween. Oh, if you don't remember Little Ghost from their previous one, Little Ghost loves parties, but he's only had the Halloween kind, so it's summertime. Can he have a Halloween party too? Super cute. Oh, that's really leaning into the Summerween thing. Okay, my least favorite part about the Bookmail, of course, is always doing all the recycling after. Of course, I recycle all the recycling bin, but breaking down boxes is not my fave, and I always end up with lots of books. The March for Hope. This is from Norton Books. Hope is heading to the Women's March, about a woman's march. Okay, we are going to move on. We've got, that looks a good one. An Activism collection would be great to add that one to. We've got Bravo Little Birds. Looks like some piano music. This is from Simon & Schuster, also Simon Kids. We've got Signs of Friendship. Oh, I have been waiting for this one. This one is that Sally and Sonia met when they were smaller than small. As they grew, their friendship did too. Sonia struggled to hear, so they learned sign language together. So this one is about two friends and they learn sign language together. Love the representation as well. I believe, don't quote me on this, it's September or October, that's Deaf Awareness Month. So we'll be adding that to those. Okay, next we've got, you don't even want to see that pile over there. A Not So Scary Story. More Summerween books coming up from Hippo Park. We've got the Very Unusual Pumpkin. I love these like little unusual pumpkins ones. It always reminds me of Stumpkin. Oh, that's really pretty. And then Look and Cook Fresh. These cookbooks for kids are super fun. Lots of pictures to help them cook. All right, putting that aside. Oh, I should have put them like in a Halloween pile. We've got over here. Okay, Good Night, Break a Leg, Life with Broadway Dads. What do parents do when they walk out the door for work? So this is about a child with two dads who are on Broadway. And let's see. Ooh, pretty. Oh, sorry. That You Are Here is No Small Thing. That wonderful message to share with kids by Tracy and Ted. Vashti Harrison, love her illustrations. Story about resilience. Young descendants of enslaved Africans are guided through the history that led them to exist and thrive today. Look at those illustrations. Gorgeous. Very interested to read more about this one and learn more about that. Okay, next. We have on Fridays. I believe this one is about grief. On Fridays, Jamar meets Mama at the assisted living center where she works, and I think it is about one of the women in the assisted living center who passes away and him dealing with that grief. Okay. Grief books are always so helpful for kids. It is a hard emotion to go through and a very hard thing to process. So always grateful for those books. Oh, look at what we have here. Oh, we have let's see, trying to remember if I am allowed to share these with you yet. So I'm doing this special announcement of this new series. I'm going to put them to the side and not show these ones yet because I don't quite 100% remember if we're allowed to share those until they release. Okay, but they're a new early reader series that I'm very excited to share. This is an interesting packaging. Oh, cute. If you remember Punch, who had that big stuffy as a friend, they made a picture book version. Ooh, some bookmarks came out of it too. So this one is really cute. One about the little viral monkey and the hug and Punch. Okay, a hug for Punch. Let's see, we just have a couple more boxes left. This one's from Source Books. Oh, and I think I know what this one is. I believe I can share this one with you, but if you know the How to Catch series, I got a nice whole little stack of them. So very cool. I'm actually, the 10th anniversary of How to Catch series is actually coming out soon, and I have a very fun collab with Source Books coming up to celebrate, so stay tuned for that. If you don't know these books, they're like very cool STEM books that rhyme about how to catch all these different mythical creatures. Oh, How to Catch a Dream. I have not read that one yet. Interesting. Let's do this one next from Penguin Random House. So, I'm actually not going to show you this one because this is the one that I use, the books that I use for Random House Kids when I collaborate with them. And when you see me post reels on Random House Kids, I'm sharing all of their books and helping them with some content. So I'm going to save these for you to check out over with them, which means there's one more box to share with you. And this one's really cute. It says Fragile. It says Bird Weddings Press Kit. That is intriguing. Oh, very pretty. Look at that inside. Oh, I love the ribbon. Cloud tissue paper is gorgeous. I'm gonna let you see. Opened it. Reminds me of like that Toy Story cloud. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Darling. Who's that inside? We got two little birdies getting married. Cute. Share this with baby. She loves stuffy. It's a little 35-piece puzzle of all these cute little birdies. So that's what the puzzle looks like on the back. Some crayons, and let's see, some coloring activity book right here. Very cute. And then here is the book, Bird Weddings. Okay, by Kim Harvey Brennan. Very cute. Special thanks to my son. Looks like a cute little bird from, let's see, on a typical morning filled with errands, a little girl and her brothers pass the time by looking out the car. What begins as a simple bird watching activity becomes a joyful wedding in the sky. My mom and brother have been into bird watching lately, so that's super fun. I'm going to share this one with them so they can see a cute little bird wedding ceremony happening in the sky. That's super cute. Thank you to the author, let's see, Kim Harvey Brennan, for sharing this one with me and all these really cute little goodies that go along with it. All right, my friends, that brings us to the end of this quick little unboxing. There's so many fun things in here. So again, let me know which ones caught your eye. If you're a paid subscriber, I will send one of your top favorites to you when I randomly choose in the comments below. Otherwise, let me know what you would like to see more of, and I will make a note to share more on Instagram and here on Substack. Otherwise, happy reading, my friends.